Oh, Frankie, stop it. Give us a ref, Frankie. Oh, it backfired too.
Guts.
Welcome back to Clooney Garage. It's Fred here, and we are working on a Hyundai Getz. And Frankie, what have you got there? Oh, Jesus! Stop it!
Our mate Kurtz from JZ Customs has fabbed us up some cool little headers.
Well, unequal length, Frankie.
Well, look, there's two here, and then these do a little whoop-de-doo, and hopefully they'll pulse down, give us a little bit of scavenge, and
oh, nice.
We need every little kilowatt or horsepower we can get, and these are the answer.
Very nice, Frankie. So Kurt's really fixes up with those. He's a bloody good bloke, young Kurt. And you just started to, well, first of all, you got the heat shield off. That was good fun, wasn't it?
Well, everything's hot, of course, because I drove the car.
Right.
And, yeah, it's always fun.
Yes.
But we'll get this rubbish out the way with this stock cast iron, horrible looking thing.
They look like high performance, those things, those cast iron headers, Frankie.
If I saw power robbing, that would be it.
Yes, no, well, you don't want that. That would not be magic.
Well, eagle-eyed viewers have realised we've only got one of these.
Yes.
And that's because this little motor only has half of the required cylinders.
Oh.
But it means half the work too.
Righto. And Frankie, you decided that we might put a set of Kawasaki headers on it there.
Well, this is what I was thinking of fabricating up.
Oh, right.
Put the Quacker headers on it.
Yeah.
What a much better solution. So thanks very much, Kurt. Saved me from stuffing around with this and trying to get this to work.
I just don't understand how you'd try to put motorcycle headers on a Getz, Frankie, but that's...
It's possible.
Oh, right, okay. All right, we've got our light here today too, Frankie, because have a go at the weather out there. Jeez, we've had some rain here in Eastern Australia, haven't we?
Tell you what, you're not missing us at all.
No, well, there's your little heat shield there. And we are going to, well, we're not going to do a how-to video. We're just going to put these in and see what it sounds like. And I hear left foot braking in the rain's good fun, Frankie.
Tell you what, on the way here.
Yeah, all right, let's get going. Oh, so Frankie, what else will we be doing crawling around in the wet on a Saturday, mate?
Yeah, we've got to get this cat off.
Right.
And it's got a couple of bolts up here, which of course are rusted to the buggery.
Right.
That's normal. So we'll use our little bit of lubrication.
Oh, and I think you refer to that as some sort of possum urine, or
the possum piss. Yeah. I think it's got some other names too, but does the job. And we've got one off, so I'll work on the other one and try not to round it off.
All right, buddy, keep going. Oh, so Frankie, we just got that dipstick out of the way. What have you got there? Oh, stop it! Oh, geez, you got your...
Look at that, mate. Look at the size of that one.
Look at the size of it. And they were good fun. They were fouling our little
fingers. Oh, geez, couldn't go up, couldn't go down. A little bit of blood.
Yeah, right.
We're good.
Geez, look at these things. Primitive, aren't they? Compared to those things.
Heavy as. This has got to be like a couple of horsepower right there.
Oh, oh, so Frankie, what else would you rather be doing on a Saturday, mate?
Working on a little Korean buzz box.
Masterpiece. So let's not lose that. Where'd you put that bolt?
Oh, mate, in a special place, so don't worry about it.
Okay. All right, let's work out the next plan of attack. Oh, geez, Frankie, that's tight.
She is tight.
Oh. So, Frankie, you've gotten the old blowtorch out and you've heated up that cast iron. And
well, I did all the work, obviously, because I'm holding the spanner. No, you got the thing off, so thanks very much for that.
Well, that's all right. No worries.
She didn't want to come, did she?
Look at the colour of that O2 sensor.
It's looking great. We probably should put a new one in, but we're not going to.
No, you don't want that. No. Oh, Tiger Tim, you've just transplanted that O2 sensor. And show all the viewers these headers again, Frankie. I just can't get over them.
Do the tricks, aren't they?
Oh, jeez. Oh, I just love those little loop-de-loops.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's why they go unequal length headers on sort of those EJ motors and stuff. So maybe it will work for us too.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
You're an idiot. Oh, so Frankie, you're going to put them back in through the top. We got them out down the bottom.
Yeah, well, we'll have a little looky. It's a lot smaller and less bulky and horrible.
I reckon we might need to put that dipstick in first.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Okay. So, Frankie, this is not the world's most powerful motor, and what are you expecting to get out of these little headers?
Well, I have noticed that she's not the world's most powerful,
right?
And we're hoping for any little gain. But Kurt, who designed these, has made a number of designs, and this one helps the poor little 1.4 haul the mail up the hill.
Oh.
So we've noticed it's lacking in the power department, and it's not the torquiest motor either.
No.
So a little bit more of the torques to get us around the track a little bit faster would be good.
Yeah, well, they say Toyota 86 has got that torque dip, Frankie. I think ours is a torque trough.
Oh, yes, definitely. But apparently these longer loops should have a nice little power pulse out there together when those two outsides fire, and that should scavenge the insides, and then the insides scavenge a little bit. So it's all got to help get the gases out of this motor and make it a little more efficient.
Yep.
Let's hope.
Well, we're going to do an exhaust video soon, Frankie, on the best mods for your Commodore, and this whole concept of scavenge and exhaust pulses will be going on in a lot more detail, and a lot of comments there on the internet about back pressure, and people commenting about that you need big fat headers to get all the power, and we've proven that's not the case with the Ute.
Well, it's got to match, you know, the amount of air you're flowing, and this obviously not flowing a lot, but the cast iron headers were very restrictive, and the cat.
Yeah.
And hopefully this just helps us with our little motor a little more. Every little bit of efficiency, and if we can pick up a little bit of power, we'll soon let you know.
That's it. Well, as we mentioned, you can over-exhaust an engine, but I don't think we're going to head that in this territory here, Frankie.
Okay.
Right, moment of truth here at Clinty Garage. What do you reckon it's going to sound like, Frankie?
Oh, loud, I reckon.
I'd say so. I'll let you do the honours. Here we go. Check for exhaust leaks. Oh, it's not too bad. It sounds good. You have an engine light? No, it's alright. Give us a ref, Frankie. Oh, it backfired too. Oh, should we go for a drive?
We better.
Okay. So, Frankie, I think you've got the world's best sounding Hyundai Getz.
Without a doubt.
Oh.
If you want your little Getz to sound as good as this, there's only one place to go.
Oh, Kurt's JZ Customs, look out. We'll put a link in the description below to his Facebook page, and he's just done an amazing job, hasn't he?
Well, I can't believe that it actually picked up the sort of power that it has. I see to the pants bummometer, and I think it's got power everywhere, but definitely the torque has improved.
Yeah.
It never had a lot, but now it just gives you that nice little purr out of a corner, and this is going to give us miles an hour everywhere.
And Frankie, tell the viewers a bottle of goodness that you've got as your next mod.
Well, the only way to get these really going is some sort of forced induction, and since we're not going to put a blower or a turbo on it, I think giggle gas is the only way to go, isn't it?
Stop it. So you've gone to see the dentist, you got your bottle and you got your kit, I hear.
Well, yeah, we need a bottle, but we're working on it, and yeah, if the VOC or someone can fix us up a little bit of gas. There
you go.
We might drill a little hole in the intake and shove a bit in.
Well, I think there's a special spot for it, Frankie. Right about there.
So,
oh, very good. All right, mate. On that note, don't do it for Dale, do it for Yoda, and catch you later.